In this video of Let's Talk Math, we are going to learn how to divide decimal numbers with whole numbers. So, we need to solve a word problem. The word problem is, John's parents gave him and his sister $9.56 to spend at the candy store. How much money would each of them get to spend on candy if they split the money evenly? So to solve this, what we would need to do is we need to divide $9.56 by 2. Right? So here we have here. And the first step when dividing decimals with whole numbers is first we bring this decimal up here. Right? Now, so let's say if we have the number that we drop down, right, is on the right side of the decimal, then the amount of times the divisor goes into it would be also on the right side of the decimal, this side. But if it's on the left side, like the 9, then it would be on the left side. So let's do it. So 2 goes into 9 4 times, and that number is 8, and we bring up a 4 here. Now we subtract. 9 minus 8 equals 1, and then we drop down to 15. So 2 goes into 15 7 times. That is 14. And we bring the 7 up here. And you see here, the 5 is on the right side, and so is the 7. Right? So now let's subtract. 15 minus 14 equals 1. We drop down to 6. Okay, and then what we do is 2 goes into 16 8 times, which is 16, and we carry the 8. Then we subtract, and that equals 0. Since this is 0 now, we know we have reached the end of the dividing, and the product, or the equals 4.78. So each of the kids get $4.78. So now let's solve this problem. But before we get into solving, let's make sure you put the decimal at the top. Right? So 3 goes into 6 2 times. That would be 6, and we carry the 2. And we subtract. Right? So that equals 0. Then we bring down to 2. 3 goes into 2 0 times, so that would be 0 and 0. Now we subtract, making it equal 2. We bring down to 4. Okay? Then what we do is we see how many times 2 goes into 24, which is 8 times. So let's put this here. And we subtract. So 24 minus 24 equals 0. So 6.24 divided by 3 equals 2.08. Now that we have solved this problem, let's review. What did we learn today? We learned that when dividing decimal numbers with whole numbers, first what you do is that you place the decimal at the top, then you just divide the numbers. That is all for this video, so make sure you put in the comments below what else you'd like to learn. Like this video. I'll also be posting more complex decimal number videos, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and check my other videos out. Bye!